It's ironic that, when people want to work out and they want to actually stay healthy, that they become injured, whether it's playing tennis or biking, running, even doing yoga. It's really important to have, the right intensity, the frequency, the duration of the exercise. But what I found is that most people, once they get into their 30s, 40s, 50s, have developed adhesion throughout their life. This adhesion process is really a normal part of healing. But this healing, each time it develops more adhesion, and that increases the thickness of the adhesion to the point where this tissue becomes inelastic, doesn't have good circulation, interferes with the blood flow, the nerve function, tendon function, and it just causes so much impairment in mobility. So these adhesions can really interfere with your ability to train at a high level. And why that happens is when you stress the body at a high level, if adhesions have already developed, then you're more susceptible to being either re-injured or developing an injury because of the lack of flexibility of the tissue, lack of circulation. So when you're doing your training program, it's important to not overdo, because if you overdo, you're going to create inflammation, and inflammation is actually the ground substance for these adhesions to form. And so it's really important to stretch after your high intensity workout, because your muscles are nice and warm, they're more elastic. It's also really important to ice your tissues if you've worked them really hard, because that helps control inflammation and swelling. And then if these things continue to be a problem, it's important to have someone actually evaluate these tissues so that you can find out if these adhesions could be freed up and you could actually get to a higher level of function. Because what I've found is that once these adhesions have formed, it's really difficult to stretch them out without precisely identifying the adhesion and manually manipulating it and freeing it. The Mettler release technique actually allows individuals to be able to excel in their sport. By the means that we manipulate the tissue, we're able to cause that adhesion to almost dissolve or pull apart, and that allows the tissue to heal and recover very quickly.